AI versus humans. The algorithmic arms race, changing warfare forever. Who controls the code? Controls the world. Two armies. Same weapons. Same firepower. But one side holds a secret weapon that's invisible, relentless, and evolving by the second. Artificial intelligence. Let's simulate a battle where silicon brains outthink human ones, and uncover why world leaders call AI the ultimate game changer in war. Meet Army Alpha. AI-powered algorithms sift through satellite feeds, drone footage, and radar blips at light speed. Their secret? Computer vision. Tech that spots a tank as easily as your phone spots a cat. Meanwhile, Army Beta's analysts drown in data, manually tagging targets like it's 1999. According to the Shashank Joshi, defense editor at The Economist, the real power isn't in the bullet, it's in the decision. AI doesn't just find targets, it predicts where they'll move, what to hit first, and how to cripple an enemy's entire supply chain, all before humans finish their coffee. The concept of the kill chain. For Army Alpha, the kill chain isn't linear, it's a neural network. Algorithms fuse intel from phones, ship trackers, even social media to ID high-value targets. Their commander gets a hit list ranked by AI, while Army Beta's leader squints at blurry satellite prints. Lose the signal? No problem. These drones don't need pilots. They've got machine learning brains that lock onto targets like heat-seeking missiles. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now in Ukraine, Gaza, and soon everywhere. In Gaza, AI generates target lists. In Ukraine, kamikaze drones outsmart jammers. And in Silicon Valley, startups are coding the future of war. The Pentagon's Project Convergence can do with 20 soldiers what once took 2,000. The question isn't if AI will dominate war, it's how brutally. This isn't about killer robots. It's about who trusts the algorithm. A commander who blindly clicks approve on AI targets is just as dangerous as a drone with no off switch. Mistakes will happen. Civilians will die. But here's the twist. Humans make the same errors. The real crisis? When generals don't understand the AI they rely on. It's not about removing humans. It's about making them smarter than the code. Warfare's new front isn't land, sea, or air. It's data. And the army with the best algorithms won't just win battles. They'll rewrite the rules of conflict. The future? It's not humans versus machines. It's humans plus machines, and the stakes have never been higher. Who controls the code controls the world.